Hello everyone, and welcome back to the shop. I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm going to be forging a leaf door handle. I'm going to be forging this handle from 9 inches of 3/16 by 3/4 inch flat bar. I'm going to go ahead and get the pieces cut, get them hot, and we'll start forging. Okay, so we need to forge out 2 of these, but I'm going to only be filming the process of forging one. Okay, so the first step is going to be to take the tool here and mark it an inch on the material. Just like that, and I'm going to start forging out that leaf, the freeform. Alright, I'm going to go back into the guillotine tool and set those marks in a little bit deeper. Okay, I'm going to get it hot again and just get those fillers in there a bit more. And repeat the other side. Alright, I'm going to start cross beating that out here. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So then I'm going to flip around to the other side. Okay, so I got both the leaves on the end of the handle forged out. I'm going to go ahead and take those and try and make it like film. And then I'll go ahead and bend them up. Okay, got those ground up. Now I'm going to get them hot again and bend them up. Okay, so we got it hot. We're going to bend it up now. I'm going to clamp one side with a pair of vice grips here. Bend it down, just like that. I'll go through the other side. Okay, so those are all bent up now. The next step is going to be to cool them off and then center punch the leaves for the holes. I want to be really careful to make sure those center punch marks are on point because countless times I've made a really nice piece and then messed up the center punches and had to restart. Alright, just like that. I'm going to go drill those holes up.
Okay, so I'm just giving them a quick wire brush and then I'm going to go ahead and throw some oil on them and they'll be done.
Alrighty everyone, thanks for watching. I think they came out really nice. If you guys enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.